How'd it all look?
A little dirty.
Gonna take off the bumper and make our own little custom bumper.
This is Austin and Allison, and we are Live Lively. We are a young married couple from Texas. Since graduating college and moving to the city of Dallas, we have been trying to figure out life just like everyone else. We enjoy finding new adventures that take us out of our comfort zone and tackling unique projects in the hopes of learning or experiencing something new. From fishing and hiking to woodworking and vehicles, we specialize in none but are always up for a new challenge. We created this channel in hopes that it will invoke others to go out and find new adventures. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy, and as always, live lively.
What is up, YouTube? What are we doing today? We need to put the radiator on first. We got a new radiator for it, so put that on. We're good to go.
What's up, guys? We are changing the radiator in old blue since Austin put a hole. Let's see if we can find it. See that JB weld? Yeah, it's not holding. So we got a new radiator to replace it, and now we're just taking it apart.
Got the radiator out. Pretty simple. So let's see if this one matches up. Looks right.
We got our plug, transmission lines. I don't know what that top one is. Bottom. And what rows over here? Do we have two over here? Or is that an optional maybe?
Guess that's optional. I don't know.
Cool. New bad boy. Now let's get it installed.
All right, so we just took the heater core and disconnected it completely. Literally just cut it, hooked it back up. We're gonna see if that fixes it. I think the heater core was our problem originally, so hopefully it fixes it and our engine won't overheat. So, running good at the moment. What do you think?
I think it looks good. We'll see if it's still leaking coolant. That's what we kept seeing. And go from there. You made a mess.
For like the 4th time today, but all in the name of science.
Exactly. So what are we doing now?
I'm gonna take the bumper off and make our own little custom bumper, something that will protect everything on the front and also look a little cooler than just the stock one. Take off all of these bolts. I mean, it's pretty simple. We usually say things are pretty simple. This shouldn't be very hard. It's literally just unbolting and welding some stuff back together, but I'm sure we'll figure out a way to make it more complicated. So we stripped this one, had to go with a smaller size and just beat on it to get it on there. And Worked like a charm, took it right off. It should just be able to slide out. Just like that. Here and all the way around, we're gonna weld a custom one on there, so should be pretty fun. Tearing up machines 101.
Your dad would be so proud. Are you serious?
Yeah.
36 divided by 2 is 18.
Cutting some for our grill. I'm gonna do 2 at 15 and 2 at 14 3/4, and then we'll have to use the plasma cutter to cut out some of the 1/4 inch steel plate.
You think we got a big enough piece of angle iron?
Problem is I gotta make sure I got enough welding points.
Yeah. You get down here on the edges.
Right. I just don't have a lot right there.
You'd have to fill that in down there.
See, I can fill that in, but I don't have a lot up in there.
No.
I might have to put something right here to weld these two together.
Yeah. And 3/16. Well, what you think? You got a mean grill, huh?
How'd it all look?
A little dirty.
A little dirty.
It's been a long day. It's been a long weekend. Finally got the grill.
It's been a fun weekend.
It's been fun.
It's actually been really quick.
It's gone by very quickly.
Yeah. It's already
has.
Sunday. We've already got work tomorrow.
We have work tomorrow and mere close to 12 hours.
So we got to try the plasma cutter out. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. But I think it did really good. I mean, for our first time, we're going to come back over and wire wheel everything.
I'm going to probably fill in some mesh right there. But Austin did a great job welding on it. He did a great job with the plasma cutter, trying it out for the first time. So, yeah, there she is. Not too shabby, huh?
Our B looks a little weird, but it
works. It's a little funky. But we'll get better. I'm sure we'll have another idea to work on it. We got a nice steel plate below.
Yeah, show them how thick it is.
It's about 1/2 inch thick angle iron. And what is that? Probably 6 inches on either end. It's pretty stout. So we got it.
Somebody is driving the Mustang home because I want to take a nap.
Yeah, I normally take a nap, so it's only fair, right?
Look at this. The reason why we come into East Texas. This and family, but it's beautiful out here. Bait, what you doing? Not too shabby.
We've got dirt on both of our faces, but it's okay. We had a good time. Another weekend gone, but we got some good stuff done. We had a lot of fun doing it.
I agree. Till next time.
All right. Let us know if you like our grill and comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Bye.